I love it. You inquired about watches with mineral glass and quartz movement. Here are our top 3 recommendations. First, we have the Emporio Armani Chronograph Watch. This watch comes with a blue sunray dial housed in a sleek stainless steel case and bracelet protected by a durable mineral glass. It features a quartz movement for precise timekeeping. It also has 50 meters of water resistance, making it perfect for everyday wear. Next up, we have the Cerruti 1881 Calliano watch. This analog watch features a sleek black dial with a mineral glass cover and a classic 3-hand movement. Designed with a black leather strap and a buckle closure, it comes with 50 meters of water resistance, and the tonneau-shaped dial adds a modern touch to its timeless design. Lastly, we have the Citizen Stainless Steel Quartz Watch. This watch has a striking blue round dial and chronograph functionality. Protected by durable mineral glass, it features quartz movement and a 3-hand design. With a 100-meter water resistance, this watch is both versatile and suitable for an all-season wear. Comment below what you want us to cover next.